issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Mercer County in central New Jersey, Burlington County in southern New Jersey, Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southwestern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mercerville, Hamilton Square to near Voorhees, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. The damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Toms River, Trenton, Long Branch, Asbury Park, Lakewood, Jackson, Howell, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Manalapan, Medford, Barnla, Getch, Texan Falls, Lumberton, Princeton, Florence, Beechwood, Burlington, Mount Holly, and Tabernacle. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 5 and 8A. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 34. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 40 and 69. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 60 and 105. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, and Ocean. The